Okay guys, so today we're talking multiplication, and I want you to be able to multiply by a two-digit whole number using a method called the area model. And the area model is a drawing representation of using base 10 blocks to multiply two numbers. And so a few concepts to remember when doing the area model. I'm going to use a dot to equal 1. I'm going to use a line like that to equal 10. I'm going to use a square or a flat to equal 100. And I am going to represent a cube or 1,000 by shaded in square. Okay, so let's start with an example. Let's say that I have 23 times 13. So I'm going to draw my chart here, and I'm going to represent 23 up here and 13 on this side. So 23, I have two 10s, so two sticks, and then three ones, three singles. And then here I have 13, which is one 10, and three ones or three singles. So now I'm going to multiply this. 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 1 is 10. And 10 times 1 is 10. Now I have 1 times 10 is 10. 1 times 10 is 10. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. And 1 times 1 is 1. And again, with the rest of these ones, 1 times 1 is going to, or 1 times 10 is 10. 1 times 10 is 10. 1, 1, and 1. And then 1 times 10, 10, 1, 1, and 1. So here is my answer. Okay, so I'm just going to regroup all of my numbers here. So I have 100 and 100, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 singles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my answer is here, and in standard form it would be 299. Okay, another example. Let's say that I have 141 times 32. So again, I'm going to draw my chart here. I'm going to represent 141 up top, 32 on this side. 141 has 100, 4 10s, and 1 1. And then 32 has 3 10s and 2 1s. Now I'm going to multiply. 10 times 100 is 1,000. 10 times 10 is 100. 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 And then 10 times 1 is 10. Here I have 10 times 100 is 1,000. 10 times 10 is 100, and so on. And 10 times 1 is 10. And again, 10 times 100 is 1,000. 10 times 10 is 100. And 10 times 1 is 10. Now I have 1 times 100 is 100. 1 times 10. And 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 100. And here. Now, when I write my answer, I have 3,000 here. And here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 hundreds. And I know that if I regroup 10 of these hundreds, that would make 1,000. So I can turn this 10 hundreds into 1,000 here. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds left over. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 10 sticks. So I can regroup those. 10 of those 10s is 100. So I'll group that into 100 here, and then I have one more 10 stick left over, and then two singles. So this number in standard form is 4,512.